I had to buy one for my Casio collection. This G-Shock first debuted in 1995. They've appeared in popular film and television, and the watch is instantly recognizable by its famous triple graph layout. I love its chunky big watch look. It's got a positive large digit, easy read display for the time and date. Functions include alarm, flash alert, countdown timer, and stopwatch. Perfect. What you really want to know is, will the watch fit you? The strap is designed with reinforcement to curl and protect the watch from falling on its case back. We could measure the effective lug-to-lug, where the profile begins to conform downwards, which I think begins at around 46mm. That's fairly short, aiding comfort. Don't be fooled by the way it appears to stick outwards in this direction. That's mostly because it has a very luscious, thick, soft, diver-style watch band. This soft band and overall light weight of the watch means it snuggles my 7-inch wrist almost more comfortably than any other watch I own. I get just 65 grams for the weight. I measure the case height at 16.4mm, and I get 50mm at its widest point across the middle. G-Shocks are durable and built to last, so it's a small investment for a watch that delivers 200-meter water resistance. Look at the big push button for the electroluminescent backlight with afterglow. It stays on for a moment after pressing. It's easy to use even with running or cycling gloves.